Writing an MIM essay can be tough, but how do you write a MIM essay that will get into top 3 ranked schools? And in this video, I'll share a framework that has helped over 150 people get into top schools last year. Each school has a different essay prompt, but in the end, they all look for the same thing, and that is where you are at in your career right now, what are your future goals, and how does an MIM degree help you bridge those two things. Consider where you are at in your career, that is your current situation, as puzzle piece number 1, and your future goals as puzzle piece number 3, and the MIM will help you sort those puzzles connect together. By doing this exercise, you will also have an answer to why MIM, which is the most sought question in any essay application process or an interview. So let's look at them one by one. Where you are at in your career, that is your current situation. That is what you have done till now, what your profile looks like, how many internships you have done, why did you actually got into a particular domain, if it's finance, marketing, or any other thing. This will comprise about 1 or 2 paragraphs as an introductory paragraphs. Then we will move on to the second part. Depending on the essay questions, we can usually swap the second part with third part. But let's look at the general essay format, which is why do you want to do a MIM degree? So MIM, you will have to get details around the program through browsing the school's website, where you will get details around program USP, which is the global immersion or specific items that the school is proud of in that curriculum. They will highlight that in the prospectus or the website page for that particular program. For example, London Business School has London Lab. You have global immersion field trips or gifts, or as networking event Sundowner. So include those in your essay. This will highlight you that you have done research around the school and you are genuinely interested in joining a particular school. Then you will also have a look at your courses, faculties, and alumni that you can leverage to enhance your current skill set to get to where you want. Then some things around your faculty facilities, including labs, career centers, or some centers that you have. For example, entrepreneurial center, sustainability center, if you are particularly interested in those fields. So you can incorporate these entire things in your essay in your part 2. Then, as a next step, we will go to the third part, which is your future goals. In this, you will connect the why aspects from the second part to why this will help you make you successful in the chosen career. So, depending on the question asked, you can either interlace it between part 2 and part 3, that is combine them together, or split them out as a separate question, because some schools do ask that what are your future goals before joining the program or after joining the program. So you can split that part completely into that essay, but you will need an answer to this question. By using this framework, we have helped over so many people in the last intake, so this stuff does work. If you want a specific reply to a school essay, let's say if Imperial has asked some question around this and you want guidance around how to answer that, put this in the comments and we'll reply on how to do that.